In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Facebook ads to Google Sheets. To do this, we will use Zapier, which is an automation tool that connects different apps together. The idea is simple. Each time someone submits a Facebook lead ad form, Zapier can automatically send that lead information into a Google Sheet, so you have an organized list you can access and share. First, open your web browser and go to Zapier. Once you are on the Zapier homepage, make sure you are signed into your account so you can use templates and create automations. Starting from the home screen helps because it gives you access to Zapier's search and recommended workflows. Next, go to the search bar on the Zapier homepage and type the word highlight. As you type, Zapier will begin showing results related to what you entered. This search is how you quickly find the exact automation template you need, instead of building everything manually. After you see the search results, click the highlighted result that appears. Then click the highlighted option again on the next screen. These clicks guide you from the general search results into the specific template area where Zapier provides pre-built setups for common tasks. Now look for the template titled Capture New Leads from Facebook Lead Ads and Log Details in Google Sheets and select it. This is the key connection. Facebook Lead Ads is the trigger that captures a new lead submission, and Google Sheets is the action where the lead details are recorded in a spreadsheet. Once the template page opens, click Try It. This starts the process of using the template in your own Zapier account. From here, Zapier will typically prompt you to connect your Facebook and Google accounts and confirm where your data should go. Take your time and read each on-screen prompt carefully, since accurate selections are important for clean, reliable lead tracking. And that is all there is to it.